Hello everybody, Robbie here with my second Rite Aid haul for the week of April 21st to the 27th of 2024. Hope you guys are having a great day. So yes, I did go to Rite Aid again this week. There are a bunch of deals to do this week, but next week, the week of April 28th, is going to be actually a much fire week. So you might want to build up that bonus cash as much as possible, and then you'll be able to, do rolling deals next week. I think everyone will probably max out the barcodes next week. I'm just trying to hype up next week because it actually is a really, really good week. You don't even need any purchase-based coupons. Probably will print in the middle of the week, but you don't really need it because everything will still be really, really cheap to free after your bonus cash. And all this money that we're earning anyway is going to pay off in the end. So let's talk about the different transactions I did. So this side is one transaction. The two copper fits are its own transaction. Then I have this side here up until the copper fit and the flawless. That's the third transaction, and then the fourth, and then the fifth. And I'll talk about every single deal in depth as always, as I always do. So first things first, let's talk about the things that I did on this side. So it was the Airheads. So this Airheads is actually on clearance for 47 cents for that bag. And this is the mini bars, all right? So I guess I can maybe show you guys. This is what it looks like. And here's the barcode if you're interested. It is 90% off. It was with the Easter. And yeah, it was $4.79 regular price, and it was 47 cents for the bag. If you buy two, you can get a 70% I bought a rebate. Unfortunately, I didn't notice that, so I lost out on that additional money, but it's okay. I really ate Airheads anyway, so not like it's a big deal. Alright, so actually the next thing is this Conair. If you guys didn't know, Conair is crazy awesome, okay? There's like a bunch of Conair on clearance. Like there's like curling irons and other hair accessories and stuff like that from the Conair aisle. And there's like a bunch of things, but then this Conair man, obviously, this is something I picked up months ago, and now this one is on clearance for $8.99. I think the regular price was $35.99, and yeah, $8.99 for this Conair, and you get $5 bonus cash back. Just $3.99 for this. I mean, that's like 90% off almost. So that is literally crazy. And I have actually a funny story where my grandfather actually asked me for some clippers. Apparently the plastic clippers that he had kind of broke, so at least I have this as a backup, and maybe I can just give this whole set instead to him. So yeah, I use his card anyway to buy it, so it doesn't make a difference to me. So I kind of did all these deals on his card, and it was a great big money maker, so I'm okay with that. So anyway, after bonus cash, it's just going to be $3.99. Before bonus cash, it's $8.99. So obviously $8.99 toward the buy $40 mark to get $10 in bonus cash back barcode. You guys already know about that. So that's one thing. Really, really awesome. The curling irons, if you really want some visuals and stuff like that, I highly recommend going to my Telegram group where we post a bunch of, deals and talk about things going on at Rite Aid. So you definitely need to subscribe to the Telegram group, and it's free. I don't care what anyone else says. It is a free group. It's just not available publicly. So you will have to follow the link in my Instagram bio in order to get into the group, and it's free. There's about 1,300 plus, 1,300 members. So yeah, if I was actually getting paid for that, why would I be making videos? Like, what is the point? But anyway, yeah, it's not like I get paid that much for these videos anyway. It's so, just to share the deals, to be honest with you. So I'm being very transparent right now. Yeah. All right, so that's that. And then I couldn't believe my eyes. I found these Children's Astropro, the 120 count. This is the one that was like $7.49, $7.74, and at this store it was actually ringing up $7.49. This is the clearance that we found a few weeks ago, and there was two on the shelf. I had $10 off coupons for those. So yeah, I was actually expecting them just to be free, like they'll just bring up at $7.49 off. Like coupons can do that. I mentioned that before, like coupons adjusting down to the price of the item, or the cashier does it or whatever. But actually the $10 came off fully. Like that means I got overage for $2.51 for each one. That was $5 in overage technically, so that was perfect. I mean, like, just made the money makers even better. All right, so that's great. And yeah, that was just the item to add and bulk up the total up to the $40 mark, because actually I could not find things in store and in stock. Like the clearance stuff, like this is whatever I found in clearance, and I'm going to talk about the clearance scunsy right now. So I actually found these interesting hats or multi-wear visor caps. That's for women, and yeah, here's the barcode if you're interested. Actually, I found two of them, and I think this was either $2.87 or $2.99. I can't remember which one it was, but whatever it is, it was there, so I picked up two of them. I found that multi-wrap thing, hairband, so I picked that up. That was there. And then I found this $1.99 clearance item. So yeah, this was that hairband. And then the rest of them, I think these two I had to pick up. These are regular price at $4.79, unfortunately. But I had to pick them up because I already found 4 clearance items. I was only 2 away from getting the $10. And plus, I'm just adding it to the basket anyway, just to bulk it up. Couldn't really find anything else in this. So, added that in. And that's basically giving me $20 bonus cashback. $10 for buying 3, so $20 for buying 6. Limited reach on this card. And yeah, that's great. So let's talk about the different totals for this, because that's all I purchased. Alright, so let's talk about my totals. Now, I did not have any purchase-based coupons for this transaction, so that's basically a really good thing because, you know, some of you don't even have purchase-based coupons to work with anyway. So, the Conair was $8.99. I already mentioned that. $7.49 for the Astor Pro, $10 off coupons for each one. $1.99 for the Scunsy hairband. $2.87 for that multi-wear thing. $2.99 for the visors. 47 cents for the airheads, and then $4.79 for those Scunsy right there. Alright, so the subtotal after the 2 coupons I used was $24.86. My tax was 99 cents. My total was $25.85, and I got back $35 in bonus cash. $10 for the barcode, $20 for the Scunsy, and a $5 for the Conair. So that was pretty great. Free plus moneymaker, no purchase-based coupons required, just the deals in the store and whatever else you can work with. So I think that's pretty good. Alright, now moving on to the other item, which was the copper fit that you guys can see in the back, the knee sleeves. Those were $3.24 and giving back $3 in bonus cash when you buy 1 limit of 4 offers per card. This card I have not done the limits on, so obviously I did it on there. Just the only thing is this actually charged me tax in this other location that I went to, so I actually had to pay 21 cents extra to get these items. But oh well, I guess it's whatever. And yeah, I paid $6.69, got back $6. $3 for each one. So yeah, it's okay. Whatever happened, happened. I was just really happy to get those. And it's only the Copper Fit Knee XL that are clearance. And a lot of people already talked about this in the Telegram group as well. Like, we already shared which ones are qualifying, as well as the monthly deals list gives you the specific stuff that's qualifying for the monthly deals. I know a lot of people were talking about the blue version of Copper Fit, and that's on clearance, but it doesn't work for the bonus cash deal. I think every like hour or so I saw it on the Telegram group, and I'm like, oh, I know everyone's gonna get mad, but you know, the main time you say somebody says no, then like an hour later somebody posts, is this working for the bonus cash promotion? I'm like, oh god. The Telegram group, I made sure I made the access. You guys will be able to see the whole chat history technically. So like if you join the group, you'll be able to see whatever has happened since I think September 4th of 2022, I think. So yeah. Alright, so that's great and all. Let's talk about my next transaction, which is the Conairs plus that Flawless and the Copper Fit right there. So let me go and show you guys everything. So let me move this over. Okay, so we have this. This is on clearance for $149. That's what I found. So that's what I got. And then this blowout stylus is also on clearance. This is actually $449, so I picked that up. Alright, and then the next 4 items are not on clearance. They were regular price. So my sister was actually asking for these Conair scalp care things, and this one is actually $8.99, and that one was $7.79. I know, guys, Robbie actually getting something at full price and at that high of a price, even higher than that at clearance price. What is he, insane? Well, yeah, I was kind of insane because I really wanted to, you know, my sister really wanted this a few weeks ago when it was actually buy 2 and get $3 in bonus cash back. But obviously I wasn't going to buy it at like $15 to get $3 back. That was not going to happen. But this week, you know, since we have the higher spend and, you know, we're getting a higher amount of bonus cash back, I decided to go ahead and get her these items. And yeah, obviously best brother ever, right? Best person ever. So yeah, great. These 2 items were the full price, and then I picked up that comb at $4.39, I believe, and then that Scunsy was also regular price at $4.49, I believe. So that's what I picked up. So that was like almost $30. Alright, and at this store, this Flawless, I found one of these, and this is the Flawless Derma Plain, and this one rang up $5.49 at this store, and you get $3 in bonus cash back, so it makes it $2.49. Now, people were saying this is a bad item, actually, like, it's not good for your skin or something, but obviously I don't know what to do with this now because I already purchased it, but we'll see what I can do with that. And then I found one of these Copper Fit, the S&M. I couldn't find the large ones, but I found the S&M at least. This one was hiding away because I guess some couponer threw it somewhere around the store, so obviously their loss is my gain. Now this one was $3.24 and you get $3 in bonus cash back, and this card obviously had 1 limit left, so obviously I'm gonna pick it up. Alright, so that was pretty awesome. Alright, now let's talk about the totals. Alright, so I was able to find another 5 off 25 in the trash can because people at this store throw it out, so that really helped out. That's the only coupon that I had, so my subtotal was $35.37. I gave the buy 40 get $10 in bonus cashback barcode. All right, because before coupon it was over $40, and I've literally just reached $40. I was actually struggling at this store just to find something to get my total up there. My tax was actually $2.16, which is really crazy. All right, and then my total was $37.53. All right, and I got back $36 in bonus cash. So I got back $20 for the Scunsy Conair deal. I got back $10 for the barcode, $3 for Flawless, and $3 for Copperfit. So that was pretty awesome. All right, so it's a cost of $1.53, and I mean, I got some things that some people will actually use, like my sister will use those Conair things that I purchased. So basically, I just use the bonus cash, and I'm actually not even like, it's actually weird that I'm not even caring about my bonus cash as much as I used to. Even if you don't have the $5 off, it's like $42 and you get back 36, which is like $6 for all this. Is technically really good, considering you're gonna get some more nice items. All right, so yeah, I don't know. I've been wasting bonus cash usually. Like I just don't even care anymore. It's gotten to that point, and I guess it's a good thing. Like I really don't really need anything that much, and I can just go through and just do the deals, whatever I want to do. And then I found these L'Oreal, what is it, Sublime Bronze. This is the deep version. This is the only one that's on clearance. And this one was on clearance for $3.87 at my store. And I believe, I don't know who it was. There was someone in my Telegram group that shared this deal. I think maybe Brandy. She did, I think. So thank you so much to her. I think at her store it was $4.12, but at my store it was $3.87. But then obviously adding the tax that I had to pay, it made it what did it make it? It made it $4.13. So I paid that, and I got back $5 from the Ibotta app, and it's limited to 1, unfortunately. So I did it on the 2 Ibotta accounts, and it didn't reset yet. So unfortunately, it's only limit 1 per Ibotta account. It looks like so. That's the only sad part, but at least I got to cash out bonus cash. So actually, if you think about it, the moneymaker was, so I paid what, $4.13, got back 5. So that is a 87-cent moneymaker. So adding both those together kind of pays for this for me. So I guess that's a good thing. And this one was already a moneymaker in itself. So that was pretty awesome. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I don't know if I'm going to go out and do any more deals. I don't really think there is a benefit for me to just do anything, because I'm kind of just going to waste bonus cash otherwise. So I'd rather just focus on next week. So I will have a video for you guys, the ad scan video. I'm going to try to put it up earlier just because it's just a fire week. I really want you guys to be prepared for next week because there's so many deals, so many ways to do the deals. Alright guys, so I hope you will enjoy that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like the video, comment down below what deals you're doing, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.